What's up? We're back now. Look, this is yellow thing. This is place for collect toys, guys. Yay! Let's go find toys around here, guys. Okay, let's take this. Wow. Okay, let's start. Where are they? What? Can see behind the sands. Look. Wow. Can see, guys. Wow, there's a lot of the superhero, guys. Where are they here? Why? Oh, maybe the guardian of the sands here. Okay, let's call it all of them. Wow. Spider-Man, and then Captain America, Iron Man. Yay. Call it all. Black Iron Man, Black Spider-Man. Look, yeah. So cool. I'm so happy to find a lot of superhero toys. Look. Wow. So cool toys. This, yeah. Captain America again. Spider-Man, more and more. Yay. Okay, guys. Next, let's go. What kind of toys today? Can find more around here. Can see? Look. What is this, guys? Wow, this is the look. What is airplane here? Yo. Airplane. Wow. And there is this roller, guys, or compactor, guys. Yay. Let's put it in. Wow, this is the motogp. Wow. And this wheel loader, guys. Yay. Cool. Let's find more. Around here. Let's go. Wow. What is stone? Wow. Okay, guys. Find it. Maybe they're around the trees. No. Okay, let's find around here. Can find what? Look. What is this? This is the animals, guys. Look. I'm so happy. Love the animals, guys. Today, let's call it all. Yeah. Zebra, kangaroo. Wow, man, guys. Elephant. Wow, look. Deer, Stegosaurus, T-Rex, Raptor. Wow. Let's put it in. Look. Cool. Yeah, lion, Triceratops. Wow, and then one egg. What? Who's belong the eggs? Maybe one of the animals. Okay, let's call it all. Okay, find more around here. Maybe they still have some toys around here. Let's go. Find more. What is it? Oh, this is plastic bag. Wow. Look, guys. We find more, guys. We are so lucky. I'm happy. We find more toys here. Look. Wow, look, toys, guys. Let's call it all. There's camel. There's the bear, raptor, and then giraffe. Wow, let's call it all, guys. Brontosaurus. Wow. There's the tigers. Let's call it all. Yay. It's a rhino. Wow. Cheetah. We will. Okay, let's take more. These two fishes. Fish. Little duck. The yellow one. Wow. I'm happy. Yay. Then it is Ultraman. This is robot. Wow. And there is a little airplane with yellow and red. Wow. So cute airplane. Okay, guys. Wow. Around behind the sands. Look. We've already found a lot of toys today, guys. Yay. Okay, guys. I think today we already have a lot of toys, guys. We're gonna find more on the next video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, guys. I'll see you next video, guys. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Keep smile. Bye bye.